Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another horror pack unboxing. I know a ton of people have been asking me when I'm going to do another one. If you watched one of my recent vlogs, I talked about how me and Horror Pack had like a 6-month thing where they would send me movies for 6 months and I would do a video every month for them, and then, you know, life kind of got crazy and I just kind of stopped. So recently when I went and checked my mail, I had a package from Horror Pack and we have more movies that I'm going to be showing you guys and unboxing for you guys. So I'm super excited to be doing these again. It is September now, which means for me automatically that means it's fall time. That means we're getting closer to Halloween, which of course is the best holiday of them all. I'm very excited to see what horror movies we're gonna get. I'm very excited. I was gonna review the movies that I had from last time I did a Horror Pack unboxing, but to be perfectly honest with you, I don't remember what they were, and I'm sure I could very easily go back and see what they were and grab them, but I'm lazy, okay? So we have 4 new Blu-ray movies that we are going to be unboxing. I have no idea what they are. This is all a total surprise unboxing. If you guys want to join Horror Pack for yourself, I will put a link down in the description box where you can join if you would like to, if you are a horror movie fan like myself. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to grab the second to last one on the bottom here, and this one is... So the first one I pulled out is a Horror Pack limited edition Blu-ray, and this is Mexico Barbaro, I think that's what it says. Here is what the cover of the movie looks like. I have never heard of this. I've never seen it before. The back of it looks super creepy. So on the back it says, a vanguard of Mexican directors unite to bring tales of the most brutally terrifying Mexican folklore and legends to vividly shocking life. Mexico Barbaro presents haunting stories that have been woven into the fabric of a nation's culture, creating an anthology that is as contemporary as it is traditional and as important as it is horrifying. So it looks like this is just a bunch of like little short films. I'm very interested to see how this is. This is 8 terrifying films from Mexico's top horror directors. I actually really enjoy short horror films. I think they're very creepy. I think they're very entertaining. So yeah, that is the first thing that we got in our little horror pack. The next one I'm going to take is the one at the very top, and this one is Hangman. Interesting. This is inspired by true events. It has Jeremy Sisto and Kate Ashfield in it. So here's what the cover of this one looks like. I feel like I've heard of this movie before, but I've never seen it. And here's what the back of it looks like. It looks like a really creepy ass movie. It almost looks like one of those like found footage movies, which I don't mind. And on the back it says, terrifying, Hangman is truly creepy, an effectively creepy spin on found footage horror. Oh yeah, so right there. So this is more of like a found footage type movie. And then it says, in this chilling found footage style horror film, a masked man breaks into a family's home and unknowingly takes refuge in their attic. Creepy! Love it! Unaware of the intruder's presence, the sadistic stranger slowly begins to terrorize the suburban family, watching their every move before eventually killing them off with no clear motive or end to his madness. So really excited to watch this. I actually would really enjoy movies like this, just like the kind of creepy, weird things are happening, you don't know how they're happening, when little do you know there's someone in your attic doing it to you. So this looks interesting. Jeremy Sisto, I think he was in the movie 13, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's who that is. He's a really great actor, so very curious to see how this movie is going to go. Alright guys, we have 2 movies left in here. I'm going to take the other one from the top, and this one is, oh, hell yeah! This one is the Blu-ray of the Cult of Chucky Unrated Edition. I do already have this on DVD. This is the newest Chucky movie that they came out with, and I really liked it. It is kind of cheesy, but it is really good, and we have so many original characters in it. We have Alex Vincent, who is Andy Barclay. Of course, we have Jennifer Tilly, who is the bride of Chucky. So on the back it says, confined to an asylum for the criminally insane for the past 4 years, Nika, who is Fiona Dorff, who is actually the daughter of Brad Dorff, who does the voice of Chucky. So she's in this movie, which is even cooler to me. I love that. So it says, Nika is wrongly convicted that she, not Chucky, murdered her entire family. but when her psychiatrist introduces a new group therapy tool, a good guy doll, a string of grisly deaths plague the asylum, and Nika starts to wonder if maybe she isn't crazy after all. Andy, Alex Vincent, Chucky's now grown-up nemesis from the original Child's Play, races to Nika's aid, but to save her he'll have to get past Tiffany, who is Jennifer Tilly, no matter how deadly or depraved, to help her beloved devil doll. So that is what this movie is based off of. Really, really good. Alright, and then the very last movie that we have in this little pack, and now that is empty, we can just throw that away. This one is the Blu-ray for Unfriended, and this is from the producer of Purge and Ouija. So there is what the cover looks like there. I think I've seen this before, but to be perfectly honest, I don't fully remember, so excited that I haven't really seen this before, so it's something new to me. And on the back it says, from the producers of The Purge and Ouija and the director of Wanted comes an original thriller where a seemingly innocent prank starts a sequence of events that spirals out of control, as she and her friends are stalked by an unseen figure who seeks vengeance for a shaming video that led to a vicious bully to kill herself. On the anniversary of the shocking suicide, the very same friends who thought there would be no consequences to their actions will find out how deadly wrong they are. So again, this looks like a really kind of creepy movie to watch during like the Halloween season, or if you're like me, any time of the year, because horror movies are always okay to watch. So yeah, I'm super interested to watch this again if I have or haven't seen it before. And those are the 4 movies that we got in this horror pack this month. Let me know down in the comments if you have seen any of these, what your thoughts are on any of these. Also let me know if you are also a subscriber to Horror Pack. I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a huge, huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. As always, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys and stay creepy. Bye!